Already, since I turned the furnace on, I turned the central air on now. I already smell burnt gas, and it's making me sick. Imagine that's the cracked pot. That's a little test to see if your furnace is bad. I'm already starting to feel sick. So, we'll get a new furnace and we'll see how it goes, I guess. Chimney's been checked, there was no leaks here. And that's got to have a hole in there to test it, but I'm already starting to feel sick from it, so I shut it off. So, next video you'll see in a month or so, a brand new furnace will be put in here. Has a heat advisory out for tonight and tomorrow. That central air will be running all the time, so. Alright guys, I thought I'd do one last video of this furnace before she goes, and well, 26 years. Oh my god, does that stink, that natural gas. Whew, man. Alright, thanks for watching and have a good day.